Hi, I'm Oscar van Deventer and this is Triple Shift 2. Triple Shift 2 and also its wooden predecessor Triple Shift, they both have been inspired by a classical puzzle. It's probably called three-piece puzzle or whatever, but the original inspiration is this puzzle where all the pieces slide together and they make this nice box shape and they go apart in a coordinated motion, and here you see how everything moves together, and then when they are apart you see that we actually have three identical pieces that look like this. And of course putting it together is a bit harder because first of all you need to find out where do all the pieces go, where do they fit, but also you need to have the coordinated motion to solve this puzzle. And okay, here everything goes together. Okay, this is really hard. And yeah, once we have everything together, then you can get it all in. So arguably this puzzle requires only a single move to solve. Well, with the triple shift, what I did was replacing the smooth surface by staircases. So what you can see here and also in the wooden version is that you see all these wooden staircases inside. But with the 3D printing, of course, making these staircases is much easier. So I thought, well, let's recreate the triple shift puzzle so it works the same way as the original three-piece puzzle. So everything goes here, and you see the pieces are, well, they are no longer identical, but they look very much the same. They have these staircases, and when you put them onto each other, things go together, and then you have lots of moves, like 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You see, lots of moves, but finally it goes together and it makes the same shape. So with Triple Shift 2, I took this to the extreme. So you see again these pieces with staircases, but now there are many stairs. So instead of a few moves, now we have a puzzle that has really many moves, like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, etc. And it goes together, but it goes together in the same way as the other puzzle. So like this, inside out, and here you can see it too. So then the question is how to count all these moves. And this is also my question to you. Like the solving of this puzzle, is this just a single move? Because we can move everything together in a single, albeit somewhat noisy move. So is it a single move puzzle like the original one? Or would you count this like, I don't know, 30 or 40 moves, and would you count each individual move as a separate move? Thank you for watching.